The Sovereignty of Law, Plato's Laws Visualized. Laws is a book written by the philosopher Plato. It concerns the second-best state, where the law is supreme. The book is about dialogue between three persons, as one of them is on his way to establish a new city. They discuss its constitution, and the code of laws, which covers every aspect of life in that city. Plato's theorized city-state mixes an authoritarian system with democratic features. A dictator and a wise lawmaker draw up the city's laws, and then renounce their powers to elected officials. Every law has an introduction, to convince the people that it is in their interests in observing it. There is a system of checks and balances, to stop anyone from becoming more powerful than the law. The city's officials are subject to the examiner's authority, who check their qualifications and can hold them to account. Plato's doctrine of the sovereignty of law, and a mixed government system, had a lasting legacy, influencing philosophers from Aristotle to Montesquieu.